Hello. So, this morning I've just been de-doming my Tiny Monster TM11. Everything's turned out okay. Those are the domes. Looks very clean. Everything works. Very happy. Now, not the second I'd finished doing that, postman turns up with this little parcel. Now then, let's crack this open and see what we've got. I don't have a knife on me. Right, okay, let's just tear into it. There we go. What could this be? What an absolute beast. V54. Very nice. This will be out for some beam shots later tonight. Everything came very nicely packed, thank you very much, Vin. Absolutely superb. Cannot wait to try that out. Actually, that's just an idea of the size. I could almost fit the Tiny Monster inside the reflector. It's absolutely massive. Right, best get some batteries in that, I think, and give it a shot. See you soon.